$1 at ShopRite this morning, so I wanted to share with you the excitement of unpacking bags and bags of groceries for only $1. We got 2 cartons of orange juice, package of hot dogs, box of frozen meatballs, that's 1 bag down, 2 bottles of laundry detergent, box of toothpaste, 2 bags, next bag we have 2 boxes of frozen organic waffles, box of frozen garlic bread, cheese sticks, and 4 bags of frozen vegetables. Alright, that's 3. Our 4th bag, we have individual packs of cookies, some green grapes, a jar of pickles, and 2 bottles of mustard. Alright, so that's 4 bags now. Our 5th bag, we have 5 boxes of tissues. See, our 6th bag, more of those individual cookie snacks. Pouch of microwave rice. 4 1-pound bags of rice. Some apples. 5-pound bag of potatoes. Our 7th bag has a dozen eggs in it. And so we also have 3.5 pounds of chicken breast. So all of that for only $1. Past few weeks, ShopRite have been running a few promotions that if you buy certain items, you get money off your next order. So I took advantage of a few of those. And all in all, I came home with all of this for only $1.